Yeah! Welcome to today's ride. Little Arvo sesh. Let's ride it. Woo. My arms are pumping up. It's been so long. Try and get my flow back. Whoa, 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 whoa. Oh, it's so pumped up. I probably should have crossed the track there. Unlucky. I suck. Fun, eh? Ooh, bad memories about water like that. Well, you ride like a dickhead. What do you expect? Launch it. Did you see him? Launch it. Feeling that's kind of deep. Yeah. Put these new grips on. Waffle Pro Tap, I think. Not a fan. Like chewing my hand up. All this fucking rough here. Oh, look at that double. What? I could probably make it. I don't know about making this next turn though. Whoa! Into the ruts. Ooh. Oh, my hand's getting chewed up. It's been a while since I've ridden this, and I put these new grips on. Not a fan, all that, like it's too grippy and rough, mate. Your hands slide around, you want them to move around a bit. Might go back to the other ones that have those little waffles on here. It's a beautiful afternoon. Might be about beer o'clock though, I think. What do you reckon? Beer o'clock? I think the battery's about to run out, so I'll see you on the next ride.